Yay! I think I finally figured it out. Yeah. So, the audio for Bandicam has not been working. I have not figured it out, but finally, I figured it out. I figured it out. So, I'm going to give you a small silver tour. I may not tell you where this, well not like a server tour, but, so, this is a server that me and my friends, like Already Dead, who also has a YouTube channel, I'll put in the description, most likely, Already Dead, Jordan, who was I actually recorded with earlier, and I warn you, because I am going to post this before I post that, but I will put music, but we built this fish, which is Jimmy, the defended, Timmy, the deformed fish, Elvis Fisher also, and he has a mohawk, and he has a butt cheeks. Yes, they are butt cheeks. I know they may not look like butt cheeks, but they are. Yeah, and we do lots of cool stuff. We have a secret base that is very secret, so I can't show you guys where it is. And I have to cut. Oh wait, and we also got. Oh, we also trapped this guy, chicken jockey. You guys know I'm chickens because he can't walk. Yes. Yeah, and you guys wondering, yeah, I have lots of OP stuff. And, so yes, we are going to be putting a base in this fish. So I'm going to go back to the overworld, because the person who owns this server, which is Anthony, or Already Dead, does not want, I don't know, he might not want this fish here. And secret bases. But yeah, oh god. So, what I'm gonna do is, what the heck? Look at that gas. Oh, wait. What's fish? Give skeletons in the shed. 91. Oh, okay. What? Sugar? Okay, well, I'm gonna stop right here and I'm gonna, what? Okay, I was running those in the chat. And I'm gonna pause it, and I'm gonna see you guys once I'm in the overworld. Oval, yes, I'm gonna see you guys in the oval world. Yes, no, over world. Yeah. Overworld. Yeah. Well, we stopped, whatchamacallit? We stopped in, Miss Nancy House, yeah, so basically stopped, well, basically got up and everything, and now we're here. I'm going to show you how to get into my secret base. Just kidding, because I don't want to be a secret. So, tell you what, I'm going to pause the video. Go, oh wait, now this is a watchtower that I built. Boom. Watchtower, boom, and a boom, and a boom, tower. It's the Tower of Slime. And I walk over here, and then here's the cathedral. I have no idea what the heck that is, but I prefer not to touch it. This is a lumberman, but I'm not going to get too into that, because this is the most interesting part. I'll see you guys inside the secret base. Yeah, you're back inside of this base. Pretty sick base. His command blocks, OP wall freeze. Kirby fan 03. Actually, that's Jordan, or otherwise known as I'm Slasher. Well, that's he has three names: Jordan, Kirby fan 03, and I'm Slasher. I'm Slasher. Ooh god, I'm Slasher is like his YouTube name. Kirby fan 03 is his Minecraft name. Sick OP. Gear. Must that be stuff for OC? Now this is just like not even that OP, but it's good. Oh wait, this is really cool. Plus 1,257 attack damage. Yeah. And if you guys are wondering why there hasn't really been any videos, because it took me a while to figure out how to get the audio working with this recording. Like with this recording software, which is Bandicam, as you guys can most likely see on the top of my screen. Yeah. But I figured it out. So, does this have the respiration? Oh, gosh, cat. My cat is doing something right now. I don't really care. Oh, gosh. Okay. So what should we do for the remaining of the video? I know. We'll do this. Snack, Minecraft. Oh, it's Jerry and Harry server. Whoa. Oh, that was good. Like I have a diamond sword. We're gonna do this. Jungle. Yes, I am pretty good at this parkour map. And, oh gosh. Yes, Bandicam is lagging me. So. Oh, what, cat? What are you doing? God. Yes, now I am much better than it looks like because, oh gosh, Bandicam. Bandicamera. Dang it. No, Lucy. Lucy. No, Lucy the cat. You better stop. Yes. That's what my cat does. She's very annoying. I'm gonna go poop her in the face. I'm gonna go poop her. But I ain't really mad that I missed out on, that I couldn't figure out the stuff. Because me and Jordan, recorded. It was some really good footage. It was us building the fish and it looked so derpy. Yeah, it was the most derpiest fish ever. But it stunk and it was so funny building it because we were just laughing the whole time because we put funny things on it. We gave it a mustache and a mohawk and it was great. But there will be lots and lots of videos tomorrow. Lots. I mean like 10 to 20. I don't know. Dang it. I could usually make these jumps, it's just Bandicam is lagging me so bad. The heck? Rage quit. Rage quit. Rage quit. No, just gonna leave an MC. Yeah. Oh gosh, nobody's on. How do you read it? Yeah, this is the castle that we built. Oh my gosh, Lucy, get out of there. Oh, well, that's it for today, and I'll see you guys tomorrow, like 10 times tomorrow, with Jordan and friends. Goodbye. Bye. Bye, guys. I'll see you. Bye. See you soon.